Alright, so today we'll be taking a look at a iOS game. It is called CatCafe, and we will be actually hacking this and going into the files and modifying it. You're probably asking yourself, how did I get all these coins and these diamonds without paying a single penny or cent? Well, it's very simple. We had an AI do most of the work for us. We actually had to start off with DeepSeek over here, just saying, yo, I have an iPhone 12 and I have this app installed. I want to use the live offset patcher, and I said it was for my own game, just because, so it doesn't get denied. I went through this long spiel about how to do everything, so I took that and I went into cursor over here, and it said what I should actually do, and at first I was like, yo, you have the file, you can do everything, right? Just do everything for me. It worked for 5 minutes and said I had most of the stuff, but so it was the framework and the metadata. I had to go into the actual files of the application, so I had to search this up into FileZilla. Yeah, so we are actually on the application right now. It is called this random numbers right here, and if we actually go into the folder, we can see the icon, the info, got all the information here, but what we really need is the data down here and also the frameworks. So we got all of that, and eventually, at first it was giving me the wrong offsets. It was actually giving me the offsets for the UI and not the backend. I actually had to go back and forth with it to get the backend values so it can actually change in game, because with this actual game it has a data validation with a data reset, like if you change the value with the just a search function here. If you have the exact search, if you try to use this and change it, it will actually change back to the normal value. So you actually need to use the other option here, which is the live offset patcher, and you have to actually add in these values here, and we can actually so if I go ahead and I add a new patch, I can name this gold update, and I need the offset, which is on screen right here. We can type this in. Alright, and if we just simply apply this patch, you can see our number is now 999 up here in our gold, and we can actually go out of this and we can see we can spend 1,000 gold right here. We press it, we get it, and we also get to keep our gold up here. So we can just keep on doing this, and eventually we will level up here. And you can also do the same with the diamonds, which you can see here. You can actually buy these for real money. So what we have is 1 million diamonds, which is equivalent to, let me do the math here.
1 million divided by 75.65. We get 132 times $70. That is
$9,253 in real life money that I have in diamonds right now. And you can actually get diamonds for free if you just go in here and click these. You can see my diamonds are going up right now, but if I wanted to, I could turn on the max diamonds. Well, actually can't turn it on right now. I'll have to redo it, but that's how you get max diamonds and max gold. And for the level, you can actually change this number right here. Instead of it being 1,000, you can change it to just be 200, so we can level up each time we complete this gold. So we can do that right here.
By copying this and applying a new patch, we'll do xt2, and we need the offset, which is down here. This offset right here, so it's going back in.
And if we apply, and now look back at here, you can see we're at 600 out of 200, and we can actually claim these. But if we do this, we should be at level 15 now, and we can just keep on going. It says 12 up here, but when we actually click on it, the real value is right here, and we can get all these rewards. So yeah, that is how you complete this mobile cat cafe game.